Hey, it's David. All right, relative to the clean video that I just shot, I am going to shoot another video here while it's uploading. So, this is set over to code 80. And again, I'm just looking for a couple of 16-second shorts. And what I normally play is called Riff 1. That's normally what I start whenever I start practicing. I did notice there were some notes that were kind of weak right in this range on this Telecaster, which I had noticed when I was playing the 1954 model guitars that I made, and I was wondering, like, why is that, what's going on there? And I had to crank the amp up a little bit, and that took care of it. So we'll see if it fixes it on the other guitars also. Because I know that's the nice thing about having the real thing, right? I know there's nothing wrong with this guitar. So if it's not doing what it should do, right, I need to look. It's either me or the amp or something. In this case, it was the amp. So riff 1 is pretty simple. It goes like this. Mainly, it's this stuff I added down here. So the part 1 of riff 1 is this. That's it. And then part 2 comes down here and goes. And part 3 is when I start going into the lead. And when I start going to the lead part, I can play almost anything, and I usually do play almost anything. So what we're going to try to do here on this video is I'm going to go into riff 1, and I'm going to get down here to these lead parts. I'm going to start improvising and fishing around for something that sounds good, and kind of feeling it out and seeing if we come up with 1 or 2 16-second clips that we can run on a loop in a short. Let's be a little louder. All right, I'll try to make it quick. It's dinner time. It's about 8 o'clock here on the East Coast. I know what's wrong. I rolled the volume and the tone back for the clean riffs. That's good. Enough of that. Riff 2. All right, let's see if that got it. Thank you.